Good morning, students. This video is for class 4 science, chapter number 12, friction as a force. So let us today we will start with I will be writing the answers for your answer for the questions. Question number E1. In the last class we have already finished off with fill in the blanks, so let us begin with question number E. What is friction? Give a common example of friction from our daily life. So let us write the answers. Friction is a force that opposes motion. It is a type of force that is exerted by the surface when an object moves across it. For example, walking, writing, etc. So what is a friction? A friction is a force that opposes motion. It is a type of force that is exerted by the surface when an object moves across another object. For example, walking, writing, etc. So please write this answer. Now, question number 2. They have said give reason, and you have two questions in question number 2. So let me write. Please write this. Two one. They have said give reason why friction slows down or completely stops any object from moving. As we all know that friction opposes motion and always acts in the opposite direction of a moving object. This is why friction slows down or completely stops a moving object. So why does friction slows down? Because as we all know that friction opposes motion. It tries to stop any movement of any object and always acts in the opposite direction of the moving object. This is why friction slows down or completely stops a moving object, because whenever a moving object moves, it always acts in the opposite direction and tries to stop that or slows down. So this is the answer for the first question. Now question number 2, that is sub question 2. It is easier. Why is it easier to walk on dry floor in comparison to wet floor? So please write this. Number 2. Friction differs according to the medium. Friction differs according to the medium. Friction differs according to the medium, whether it is a solid, liquid or gas. Whether it is a solid, liquid or gas. Friction is less in case of liquid. Friction is less in case of liquid. This is the reason when the floor is wet, it makes difficult for us to walk as compared to dry floor. So friction differs according to the medium, solid, liquid and gases, and we know that in liquid friction is very less, and that is why when the floor is wet, it reduces the friction and it makes us difficult to walk on the floor as compared to the dry. So children, for today you keep it till here. In the next class I will write the answer of the remaining questions. So for today up to this much. Thank you class.